GV, I just heard from the Peacekeepers. A pro gamer by the name of Shidon turned into a primal dragon during an event at an arcade.
That's the biggest arcade in the country, too. It's honestly more like a theme park than an arcade.
A place like that is probably packed with tourists. There could be casualties.
Right. We need to hurry. Cyber-Kowloon City. The most famous amusement center in the country. And an awful place for a primal dragon.
Looks like everyone has already evacuated. I'm seriously impressed. Come on, GV, let's get moving. Easy. Hey, can't the Azure Striker do something like this too?
It's not impossible, but it's difficult to maintain control over such a wide area. That shutter could kill someone at that speed.
I'll use my arc chain to get through before we get locked inside. Too slow! Is a dump. I thought it was supposed to be the best in the country.
That's actually the theme of this place, I think.
Getting real sick of all these shutters. I'm about to lose it and tear them apart.
Tear? Get a hold of yourself, Kitty.
Take this! Try to keep up! No problem jumping across these rooftops. It doesn't get easier than this.
It won't be funny if you slip and fall, though. At least I can fly.
I'm sensing the primal dragon nearby. It should be inside that building.
Looks like more shutters are in our way. What should we do, Kidding?
Do you even need to ask? We're breaking through the window. peasy. Too slow. Easy peasy. You're really showing us no mercy. It's like the whole place is out to get us. Huh? The camera suddenly broke out of nowhere. Easy peasy. Take this. Huh? The camera is broken. Why did that happen? It just dawned on me, but why in the world does an arcade have such insane defenses?
Maybe that's also the work of the Primal Dragon.
Easy peasy.
Now we gotta deal with proximity mines. Kidding. Stay out of their sensor's range.
Got it. I can even use my arc chain to zip right past them. Easy peasy. All the elevators seem to be stuck at the top.
Most of the electronic facilities here are out of order, huh? We just have to go on foot.
Easy peasy. Too slow. You're the one who invaded my castle. A Dustia? What kind of game is that?
I have trouble even imagining how far modern games must have advanced compared to what I know.
I mean, you were sealed away for ages, right? How does it feel to be free after all that time, old man?
I definitely feel worse after being asked that question.
Just try and catch me.
Kidding. If you keep messing around, you really will get caught.
peasy. Too slow. Huh. 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 Take this. Huh. Huh. Jeez, what do you think you're doing? Running around my castle and messing everything up!
So you're Shiran. Don't mind us. We're just here to seal your dragon away.
I don't think so. I need this power to make myself more manly. Hell yeah! Witness the true power of a genius pro gamer! Round one! Here I come! I've already seen all of your movements with my overclock Septima.
Is he controlling those things?
There's no way an arcade would have traps like those.
He must be using the security bots to make them.
We're easy with my overclock. It's time to show you two who's boss. You're gonna be easy prey for my traps. No one will make fun of me anymore. Once I beat you two, I'm gonna be the manliest man alive. Hell yeah!
This is so weird. He's still talking like a normal person, but his actions seem totally out of control.
You're right about him being out of control. This can't be his true personality. We have to stop him.
Don't waste your time. I already analyzed all the data I collected on you while you were on your way here. My calculations are never wrong.
Fine then. We're going to seal away those calculations of yours.
And I'll surpass those calculations at the speed of light. Oversurge, Azure Striker! Short-circuit those calculations with a flash of lightning!
They ran my calculations.
Huh?
And program. Brilliant ray! I got you now.
There! Yeah! Oversurge, Azure Striker! Let's Caliber!
Game over!
After returning Shiran to normal, we filled him in on the situation.
Oh, jeez. I'm so sorry for causing trouble.
Don't sweat it. Welcome to the Dragon Saviors. You're one of us now, bud.
Hell yeah! I'll make up for the trouble I caused by working my butt off.
I'm happy to have someone as reliable as you.
What? Hey now, Kieran. That's totally not what you said to me when I joined.
A genius pro gamer like Shiran will be a valuable asset to the team. If you want to earn some respect around here, BB, you should get started on that mountain of paperwork you got piling up.
You run a tight ship, Captain.
I don't think she's asking that much.
Come on, guys! Please don't fight because of me!
Sheesh. This place is about to get even crazier.
I thought of a new sword technique during our mission to save you, Shiren.
You got buffed in the new update. How's life as Battle Priestess Kirin 2.0?
Don't get too carried away. It's not that big of a deal, really.
Well, what's it like?
By holding down and pressing attack in midair, I can perform a spinning slash attack that's effective against enemies on the ground. It'll cause me to descend quickly, so it's not great for racking up kudos, but its attack power is totally worth it.
You know, that reminds me of an attack that recently got nerfed in this fighting game.
This isn't a game, this is real life.